Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a contact form in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first visit sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to add your contact form on. This is my website in Google Sites, and this is the contact us page on this site. Now, how to add a contact form in your contact page? It's simple. First, we will use the contact form service provided by Google because it is reliable. So now go visit drive.google.com, then click on this new button, select Google Forms, and click on it. Here, let's name this form contact form. Okay, now let's build our contact form. Okay, the first question will be, for example, full name, short answer. It is required. Let's add another question, which is, for example, email address, which is also short answer and required. Okay, now let's add your message like this, and here it will be paragraph, which is also required. Now let's go to responses. Here click on these three dots and select get email notifications for new responses. And jump to the settings, make this a quiz, no responses, manage how responses are collected and protected. Make sure to not collect email addresses because we did it manually. Unless your contact form will not be visible for people with no Google account logged in. Allow presentation, detailed form defaults, collect emails, do not collect. Okay, now click on publish and make sure to use anyone with the link. Click on publish again. Now that the form is published, let's go back to the Google Sites. Yes, let's add it here. Okay, below, or let's call it contact us. Then click on embed. Click on, you can embed this form using the form link like this. Copy and paste here. Click on insert. And just like this, required question. Okay, just like this, your contact form is added. Switch account, not share it. Click on publish to publish this contact form. And let's view the result. This is the contact form. Let's give it a visit in incognito to avoid my connected my logged in Google account. And as you see, let's give it for example, full name, Ben. The address is, for example, test@gmail.com. The message, this is a test message. Send. Your message has been sent. Okay, let's wait for a notification. Okay, while waiting for this email notification, let's show you how to add a Google form in a different way, in a separate page. So go to pages. I think I received the message. Google form. Your form called contact form has a new response. View response. And as you see, this is the full name, the address, and the message. Okay, now that I received the email or the contact form notification, Let's see how to create a separate page for this contact form. So go to pages, just hover over this plus icon and select full page embed. Let's call it, for example, contact form. Click on done, and now click on add from drive or add embed. The simplest way is add from drive. Locate the contact form here, go to recent, and you will find your contact form. This is mine. Click on insert, and now it is added for me. Don't forget to hit the publish button 2 times, and let's view the result. And this is how to add a contact form in a separate page. This is the first design, and this is the latest one. And this is how to add a contact form in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.